Oh my god. Terrible timing. I'm good. Oh shit. Hello. I'm very sorry for the bizarre ASMR session of coughing. But anyway, hello. How are you doing? How are you doing? You, yeah, you, exactly you. I just, to be completely honest, I just downed, like I just made my best to make my best. I just done my best to chug like a little miniature pizza as quick as possible because of the live, because I was already late because of it, you know. So just building onto it, you know, it's just crazy. But yeah, so that's why I'm kind of like grasping for air or something like that. I'm also what am I? I am what am I? Oh yeah, I'm out of water. I need to refill my water bottle, and I'll be right back. It's like it's going to take like, I don't know, 30 seconds. You won't even miss me. Here you go. Did you even miss me? I don't think so. Alright. You know what? Before continue doing some joint venture stuff, I think I'm gonna do something. I'ma do something. Cause like there is this problem that's happening right now. That's like, people don't really know that you can, you know, you can wait, not even wait, that you can redeem. People don't even know. Oh my god. People don't even know that you can redeem the first, you know? And so I was just thinking it like absolutely right now. I didn't think about it like any more than right now, you know? It was absolutely right now. And yeah, I'ma do a little plaque, a little sign, a little, hey, first is available, first redeem is available, you know, that kind of thing. So I guess let's switch the category after all to I don't know, just chatting. Yeah, just chatting. Let's just chat. Shit. Apparently I've already got tired of Joe, right? That's right. Although I turn to smithereens and spill my tiny symphony, let me get my violin for you, or something like that. Ba-da-da. Look at that. Look at this beautiful canvas. Anyway, what do you want to do? I think I want to do something like on the above part, not on the above, like on the top part of my screen, because I think it's going to be like better. That's just how it goes, I guess. Let's try like something with, I don't know, 6 pixels. 6 pixels may be good enough. This feels like a necessity to this will be the definite. No, oh my god. Doesn't matter me, it's a Tiffany, it's a Hennessy, that's a destiny. I need to let me play the violin for you. I think this is good enough. Look at this. So what's the sign that we want to be available? I think the sign is first, right? First, that's terrible. First, that's still terrible. Let's try again. First, redeem. First, redeem for the first. First redeem. I don't know how this works. First, redeem. Redeem. Oh man. First redeem. Oh, this is ugly as frick. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. I guess it's okay. First redeem. Should we do on the next line on the same one? I think we should do on the next line. Available. Look at this. Available. Terrible. I hate my ease. Ooh, that's one. This one's cute, I guess. Let's also. What? V. There we go. I want to like tilt this a little bit because yes, and also better centralize this. I guess. So there we go. What else? Let's create a new layer here. Put this like a little bit to the down position, and we want to like properly do. Look at this. Oh my god! Properly do a little sign. Shit. Sign. This is terrible. Sign. This is terrible. I guess this is good enough. Better than that won't become. It won't. It will not become. Better than that, it will not become. There we go. Something like this. I feel like this is on the incorrect layer. There we go. Oh man. There we go. Well, no, it's a bit decentralized, right? Well, I'm always with you. Let's better centralize it. Let's go. There we go. Let's rename this layer to text. Oh my god, that's not how you write site. Text. Never mind that. Let's rename this to outline. And let's create a new little thingy here called. I mean, who knows? I don't know. Called BG. Where's the BG? BG. Autumn fans and weak, and now the world attached. And I have in a lane, and the world to so mag. Look at this. Ooh, you know what? I feel like this one is going to be better, right? Well, this is too small. Say when it's me, a little bit tired of life, like a not really definition when I die. Look at this. Oh yes. Oh yes, look at this. Oh yeah, a little bit bigger. I feel like we can get a little bit bigger. Look at this. Yes. That's what we're looking for. Why don't you use the bucket tool? I don't know. I'm dumb, but I like to do stuff on the difficult side. There we go. I think this is like the perfect size. Look at this. We can go like very tiny details. And then we can just like fuel everything. Look at this. Oh no. Well, anyway, it's fine. There we go. Look at this. How beautiful this is. Almost there. Oh man, I clipped it out. Oh, you know what? I think it's going to be. Oh man, I feel dumb now. I think it's going to be way easier to. There we go. I think it's going to be way easier to delete everything. Look at this. Then That you're not really there, is it all right? That you don't really care. But it's been in the air, not the past repair. Then it's going to be to paint properly the outsides, the insides of the sign. There we go. Well, a little bit tired of singing, turning on my phone, turning it taping, and on flow, turning it. There we go. Look at this. A little bit tired of life, like a lot, really happy, but you don't wanna die. All to the turn and survive, it's gotta survive. There you go. Look at this. Look at this. This is this is the look of progress. This is progress if I've ever seen something called progress. Oh yeah. Ooh. Look at the details. Look at this. Look at how it go. Oh, this is terrible. Like whenever I I make the up and down motion with the the up and down motion with my pencil, I feel like my microphone dances a bit on the desk, and that's terrible because it introduces shakiness, not even shakiness, just random noises to the audio, which is terrible. But then again, there's not really much I can do since the problem relies on my desk. My desk is so wobbly. It's so wobbly. Like I never seen. That's a lie. I definitely seen something worse than that. But like, but it's very difficult for me to see a desk more wobbly than mine. It's actually like a feat, to be fair. Alexa, shut up. God damn it. I was vibing so much with the last song. Alexa, can you just not? Can you just not? Like, for realsies, what's your problem? I was freaking vibing. Yeah, aqui, what eco dot do quarto do you wanna, like, fuck you, Alexa. Fuck you, Alexa. How could you? You took me out of my music. Oh, it's fine, it's fine. This is probably good enough. Hey, hello, Tank Pillow. How are you freaking doing? I am... I'm fighting with Alexa. But more than fighting with Alexa, I feel like nothing. I feel numb inside. No. I'm doing this little thing here. Before I even start messing with... I'm decent. Good. It's awesome that you're decent. I'm doing this before we even start getting into some Joe Adventure, because maybe I am already tired of Joe Adventures for today, given oh my god, given how much oh man, definitely didn't predict this little thing. Anyway, given how much I've worked, hey, let's go! Congratulations on your first Thank Pillow. Yeah, that's exactly it, you know? Because I feel like people that join the stream usually do not notice that there are the first redeem to do. And, you know, I kind of like this silly little competition, you know, about the firsts. And I just want to incentivize something here, you know? And to better incentivize it, I am drawing this little thing. I'm drawing this little thing that will appear on the screen, you know, before anyone has redeemed the first redeem. And that's just it. Let's try. Let's try. How are we going to do this? Well, there we go. How is the there we go. We got the sign. We also want to have I also want to have our, oh my god, this is too big. I also want to have like our hand holding the sign, right? Should I leave? Yeah, should I leave the sign making to next time? Like poor man's signs, you know? You just work on the sign until you have the sign. Because like for today I've already I've already achieved my objective of like incentivizing people to redeem the first, right? So I don't know. Let's just finish. I kind of just want to see it finished, I guess. Let's try this, right? Yes. There we go. There we go. There we go. And inside we need to do something like that. Yeah, that makes me happy. That makes me happy. There we go. It's not good. It's far from good. It's actually terrible. But you know what? It's good enough. And I leave by the good enough. I leave by the good enough. Let's go. Yeah, you know what? You know what else is good enough? Look at this. I was thinking about like drawing my face upside down, holding the sign, but I think that just that is good enough. And then again, I leave for the good enough, right? I leave for the good enough. Let's go. Okay, let's hope that this is not small enough, right? Too small, I guess. What is this? Hands, I guess? Hands. I have zero idea what kind of project I want to work on. Damn. Like, you don't know if you want to work on some, I don't know, web servers, tools for programmers, or games, or what kind of games. What it is that bothers you. Trim to selection. Can I trim to current later? Well, that was terrible. There you go. Full group. Trim to current later. I feel like this is good enough. Any tools for game devs you would like? Or tools for developers in general? Oh my god, I'm dying. Not actually, but you know. Let me think about it. Any tools for game devs or developers? You know what? I was thinking about it today. Like, I usually use Trackit, you know? Look at this little guy. I mean, it's not Trackit, it's Toggle. Toggle. Let me open the main page for them. I generally use this, but this is kind of like, I don't know, I feel like this is too much expensive for the things that I want to use. Like, I'm not even claiming that like, oh, it's too expensive of a tool. No, it's like, for what I use, I don't feel like I use enough of it to justify me paying for that. And there are features that it's beyond what? The letters tilt. What the fuck? Anyway, there are tools holding like behind the paywall that I want to use, that I can't really use it because I don't want to pay it now. And I was thinking to myself like, oh shit, I want to do something. It's basically a to-do app. No, it's not. It's basically something that tracks the time you take to work on something. And you can separate stuff by project. And something that I really wanted to use, it was available for free before. But it's like you can select this to toggle to notify the tool that like this time that you're spending here is going to be billable. You know, you're going to like attach a price tag to it. And yeah, like I really want like this timer thing. I really want this goals thing, and I really want this money thing, and probably like not these, but like probably like a little report for like, oh, given this project you wasted, you spent like set amount of time in the last week or in the last month, and you were supposed to bill or to charge set amount of money for the project, you know. This tool actually, I'm pretty sure this tool actually makes invoices. Look at this. It actually creates invoices. And you know, invoices are kind of interesting, but I, you know, focusing on the core thing, I feel like I want the project tracking and the goal and the billable time. Yeah, that's kind of the project that I want to have. And actually, thinking about it, thinking about it, I've done something similar to it. Timed reports.netlify .net. I don't even remember how you write netlify. Is that how? Oh yeah, it is. Shit. What the fuck? Okay, netlify.com. Let's see. Let's see what project. what is the URL again? JP1010 Times Report. There you go. Hey, hello, Sir Stefan. How are you doing? Netlify.app. It's not .net. So, I guess I'm sorry for the flashbang. But I have this project I've done. It like tracks the time you spent on it. It tracks like ETA. If like, oh, I predict I will spend like 5 hours on it. You can like select a project. You can give a description, and you can change some status. You can also change like the progress level of the little progress bar in here. But this do not include the billable thing, which I guess it would be kind of easy to implement it, right? But I guess I'm kind of lazy. I guess I'm kind of lazy. Time report. Where is it on my GitHub? Times report. Are you licking many potatoes there? I would do something like that, but I don't really do a lot of front end. Well, that's shit, right? That's kind of shit. I mean, it's not kind of shit. It's just like, damn, it's not good that you do not make much front end. Because like I mostly do front end, and this project is mostly... I feel like this project that I'm pitching you is basically just front end. Because like, I'm not even looking for like synchronization, you know? Kind of like an agile board, kind of like an agile board. But like I was looking at the toggle, the track.toggle tool in here, which is like, hey, we have like stuff that we want to track. We have like weekly goals, and we have like the time we spent working on stuff today, and you have this option here to like, hey, I want to enable billing for this specific task, and then you'll get a report of like, oh, you should charge the person who you are working with or working for set amount of money. That's kind of the thing. There definitely is backend. Definitely. I mean, I know that Toggle has a backend, but like this little guy in here do not have a backend. I did everything inside the front end. Oh, I was talking about Toggle. Yeah, exactly. But yeah, let's freaking go. If for some bizarre reason you want to use this as like inspiration of some sort, of some kind, there you go. It's open source. Let's go. But then again, where are we? Oh yeah, we were doing this. Interesting. Very interesting, because I don't really understand why the picture is so big. Like we didn't really need to have this section in here, right? Oh man. So this is kind of alright. This is kind of alright. This is kind of alright. Yeah, I feel like this is better. There we go. So now we can export everything. Right? Where do we want to save stuff? Streaming kit. I don't know. Rental assets. First sign.png. Let's go. There we go. Yeah, let's save it. Let's save it. First sign. No, not .png, .cra. There we go. Something like this. So now, oh, we are on ads. Oh well. Da, 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 da. Welcome back from the ads. Now I feel like we can add the file in here. Where is it? Not downloads, documents. Oh man, I'm so bad at like not doxing myself, for fuck's sake. There you go. This is like a little bit better. And then we can show the sprite. First sign. It is not animation. It should be positioned on like 0 on the Y scale and like, I don't know, 0.7. Oh my god, 0.7 on the X. I think. I feel like that's a good one. Oh, not the scale, the align actually. Oh shit. Yeah, scale is just 1. I'm dumb. Yeah, that's it. Let's go. So when the string comes online, I want to show this little guy. Ba-da-da-da-da. You know what? Let's get those to the, I don't know, from upside down. Let's go. I feel like this is a better organization. And also, once Yojo Adventure, love the game. Have you heard of it? Oh man, I'm so hyped. You heard of it. Sprite hide. Then we get this, and then we hide it. There we go. Can we test this anywhere? In any way, shape, or form? Let's just get this going in here. Test. And in here, another one. Test 2. There we go. Look at this. How is this positioned? Oh, fuck! This is huge! Oh no. Okay, how do we deal with this? Scale, let's get like, I don't know, 0.3 maybe? Good enough? Let's try again? One more time? Look at this. Is this good enough? Can you read it? Can you even read it? Advanced moderation. Is this the advanced? Yeah, it is. Good. Oh, it's a little... It's not very readable, right? It's not very readable. And also, I feel like this can like be a little bit more to the upper side. So like, I don't know, 0.1. This might be too much actually, but let's try. Yeah, as you can see, we are like killing some time before we go into Joe Adventure, cause that's life, I guess. Sometimes that's how it goes. I feel like. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm good. Let's test one more time. How is the position here? Okay, the position, I feel like this is a better position. And also, yeah, not very readable. That's terrible. That's terrible. But you know what? Problems for another day. I don't really care. Look at this. We can toggle it on and we can toggle it off. So let's delete those two nodes that we just created for some, what's the name of it? Some testing purposes. Yeah, because now it's done. And okay, I feel like it's time. It's enough time. Enough chit-chatting. It's time that we were working on Joe Adventure. I've been like, first of all, like I've been spending my like half of my day dealing with like bank stuff and legal stuff and money stuff and accounting stuff. Actually, I think I can say it better. But the other half of my day, I've been refactoring the transition system to enable. It's not even the transition system. It's like my, what's the name of it? My stage manager, you know, the thing that like manages which scene is loaded, how is the last scene going to be unloaded, if you're going to pass data from one scene to the other. That's the stuff my little coding here, my stage manager does. And I've been working on Joe Adventure, and now look at this, guys, look at this. Now we have the pleasure of having the silly little transitions between scenes. Look at this. Have you noticed the fade out and fade in? Look at this. Fade out, fade in. Oh nice. Let's go. Let's freaking go. And the good thing to do, I mean, the good thing about the system that I've done is that we can define like interesting stuff. Shit. No, it's fine. Interesting stuff with like customizations, because like the fade out and fade in are just the default transitions, okay? But we can do more. We can do more. Look at what we can do. Look at what we can do. We can, for instance, the system I've developed supports that we create a function called stage out that receives a tween. It's a tween and returns nothing, because we're not really interested in anything that this can return. I don't think so. If we are, then we are, but I don't think we are. So that's kind of it. What do we want to do? We want to do some stuff. Okay, because when we click start, I feel like it's not even that I feel like I want those silly little freakers to start like running towards the right side. You know, that's kind of what I want to happen. Is this? I'm thinking here right now. And this may not be time well spent, because like I'm just considering stuff here, because I'm pretty sure we're going to add some, what's the name of it again, like starting cutscenes to the game, and if that's the case, maybe this will just change. But you know what, maybe it's good enough. And if stuff needs to change, then stuff needs to change. It's no problem, right? How does this even work? So we have this background, and the background mysteriously scrolls for some reason. How does it do it? I wonder if it has no... Oh, there is auto scroll configured on it. Okay, yeah, makes sense. I'm feeling like the strategies that we're going to have is like disable all of the auto scrolls and like swing the positions of all of the Joes to like outside of the screen, you know? Yeah. And to do it, I feel like we can just create a parent in here. Reparent to a new node. Let's just, create a node 2D in here. Called. Oh shit, no. Sorry, yeah. Like this. Called, I don't know, Joe's. Good name as any. Maybe, probably. We have a lot of parallaxes. How do we do this? Okay, I think I want to access this as a unique name and these as a unique name. So BG Joes, let's go. So in here, what do we want to do? We want to get the twin. And in between the positions, well, you know what? The first thing that we want to do is twin callback. Where is the twin callback? Let's go. So we define a little function in here that's going to get all of the children's inside of the BG. So for child in BG, if the child is parallax 2D, that's the name of it. If the child is of type parallax 2D, we're going to get the child's auto scroll set to 0. It's a vector, right? Vector to 0. Right? It's a vector, right? It is. Okay. And that's the first thing that we are going to do. The second thing that we are going to do is twin. Not callback this time, but property. From what object? We want to twin the property from BG Joes. The property is going to be position. Isn't it? Don't we have position? Transform position, yeah. Position. Well, copy property path. There we go. Position. It should work, right? It should work, right? There's no way it shouldn't work, right? Anyway, so we can get our little vector, I think. Maybe. Yeah. No. What's the position? Oh, it's 0. It's nothing. Okay. I think we can then like just target the position of like something outside of the screen. How can we select something outside of the screen? Let's just like get the wing widget from, I don't know, the project settings dot get settings widget. Window overrides? No, viewport widget. I think that's what we want to have. There we go. And what is the duration that we want this transition to happen? It's like, I don't know, 5 seconds? 5 seconds is way too long. Half a second? Let's try with half a second. And let's try also if this even work. I'm fine. Look at this. Oh shit, it does not. What's the problem? Oh yeah, no, for sure. Sorry. It's actually gets children instead of just like selecting the parent. Sorry about that, Mr. Code. Let's go. Oh my god, they go so fast. They go so fast. I mean, at least 1 second, right? At least 1 second. Shit. Look at this. Nyong. Well, that's a lot. That's a little, actually. It's very, very little time. 1 second? Who knew this would be so... Huh, interesting. Okay. You know what? I also want to toggle the BG Joes dot process mode to be always. Sure. For sure. Whatever. This is good enough. What does this mean? What does this mean? This means that like they keep the walking animation. Look at this. Walk, 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 walk. There we go. I also think that while this happens, I think I want to also fade the screen. Yeah, let's just fade the screen. So how do we fade the screen? Bam, 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 bam. So let's add a new canvas in here. Canvas in the background. Oh, that doesn't really make sense. What's the layer this is on? So let's just go with, I don't know. Oh shit, no, that's not it. Oh no, this is good enough. Just position yourself under it, please. For the love of everything that's, I don't know, holy. Let's go. And we add a little note in here. It's probably a texture rect is good enough. No, color rect is better, right? Color rect. We select the color black. And we make the rect fill the entire screen. And we also set the visibility, the modulate visibility of this little guy to like 0. And also, can we prevent this layer from like interfering with everything? Like, I don't really want, like, I guess I will have to do something here, like, right? So like something like this. Ignore focus none, mouse click ignore all. Yeah, I feel like that's what we want to have. Okay. Yeah, okay. So we also kind of want to access this by like the global name, the unique name. And we are going to color rect the shit out of this. So modulate alpha to 1. That's the final value. We're going to modulate it in like have a third of a second. Not even a third of a second, like a little bit less than a third of a second. Look at this. That's a good animation if I have ever seen one. Look at this. Look at this. It's not that good, right? I feel like this is not that good. Ba 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 ba. So the stage manager has a little problem in here. I feel like. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Da, 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 da. I feel like this is happening way too late, which is kind of a problem. But we kind of also want to wait for this, but maybe we can do something silly, because like when we are twinning out, I feel like we can set like a little callback in here, right? So loading twin dot twin callback. And what is the callback that we're going to pass in here? It's something like reset canvas layer. Reset is not really a good name for it. Better like prepare to fade in. Okay, let's try prepare to fading. And in here we can just call prepare to fading. Actually, prepare to fade out. Well, the stage is fading in. The thing that's going to fade out is the color rects inside of it. Huh. Instead of like prepare to fade in, probably it's better to have like a prepare to fade out, to stage out, to stage in, stage in, prepare to stage in. Probably a better name. There we go. I feel like this is good, but also we have to account for the possibility of like it's kind of funny because I don't feel like this is a good idea. Wait a minute. Think about it with me for a second, because like we are trying to save ourselves from the question. It's not even a question. It's like let me draw a little bit. So we kinda. So I have these, you know. What do we have? We have like the stage one. Let's go. The stage one. Tries to fade out. Yeah, fades, fade outs. And the fade outs can either be got, can either come from the stage, so it's like a stage fade out, or it can go, or it can come from the manager, so it's like this, the manager fade out. Okay, but and after the stage 1 has fade out and the level 2, let's go okay, let's go here, okay? So I have a little one in here, which is like the stage 1 load, okay? And then we have the stage 2 fading, okay? Fading. The problem here is that we are kind of flashing the user, cause the fade is only triggering here, okay? So it's like the stage fading, or either the stage fading or the manager. Oh my god, that's not how you do an M. The manager fading. But we have to wait like for, I'm pretty sure it's like 2 frames. Where the fade out from the stage has happened, but the fading for the second stage, the old stage, the new stage, hasn't begun yet. So that's where the flash happens, okay? But the problem is happening. Why is the problem happening? The problem is happening because because the stage fade out, usually I feel like they usually manipulate stuff that's inside of the stage 1, the stage that we are talking about, okay? But this manipulation, like everything that changes inside of stage 1 is killed pretty much in here, you know? When Godot changes from stage 1 to stage... Oh my god. Oh my god. When Godot changes from stage 1 to stage 2, that's when stage 1 ceases to exist, carrying along every change that it has done to the stage, okay? And that does not happen when we are running the fade out from the manager, because the manager keeps alive in between the scenes loading, okay? So that's what's happening. That's kind of what is happening. So we have like a lot of options to fix this. And we also want to have the better one, right? Oh shit. Okay, never mind then. We also want to have the better option. What's the better option? Because like the naive approach to fixing this, which is like the first thing that I try to do, is to include something in the fade out. No, it was not on the fade out. It was in... Oh, kind of. It was kind of during the fade out, because like the stuff that I was trying to do was like this is kind of like a burned out charge, okay? So we have the manager fade out. The manager fade out kind of calls the stage fade out, and the stage fade out eventually like returns control to the manager fade out, and we were going to run something here, okay? We were running something here. Why is this a problem? This is not really a problem. This is a problem. If the second stage, like, because look at this. So here we have, hot damn, here we have like the process shit. The process of, I write so good. The process of switching scenes. Okay. We first fade everything out, and then, wow, you know what? You know what? Actually, that's not really what. Oh shit! Again, I did it again. Okay, let's just bear with it. Just bear with it, okay? This is good enough. We're going to get this. We're going to also fill this. Yeah. Let's go. This is terrible. It's looking terrible, but it's like, it works, I guess. Let's fix this because it's bugging me. Oh shit. This is a very good use of my time, I feel like. But anyway. There we go. We're almost there. There we go. Fixed. You've never seen anything better than this. Hey, ads are going soon, okay? Okay, so the process of switching scenes. So the first thing that happens is, oh my god, this is big, is that we call, how can we draw this? Like, this is, let's go with an X. We call like, hey, switch scenes, please. That's like something that we kind of do, okay? And then what does even happen in here? First, we begin when we first call this. One of the first things that we do is to like load stage 2, okay? That's what you do. And then we trigger the manager fade out. The manager fade out triggers the stage fade out, which can or cannot exist. And then the stage returns to the manager fade out, okay? And then we will wait for the loading process to end if it hasn't ended yet. Like, which one of those are faster? I don't know. Either way, it awaits for the longest one, okay? So that's kind of what happens. And then we defer the actual switching of like stage 1 to stage 2 to Godot. Godot takes like two frames to do this. 2 Fs, and then we actually have the manager fading, which delegates stuff to a possible stage fading. Okay, that's kind of what happens. Or actually, probably that's exactly what happens. So the problem is we are like adding something here, assuming that these will run. Okay, the default one will run, okay? So imagine we have like this little squaring here, that's like the default fading from the manager, which can be overwritten by the stage fading. And this also applies to this little guy here, okay? So we are substituting something that executes on the manager to something that executes on the scene. But the problem is, that like the stage fade out usually messes with stuff that's going to be unloaded and that's going to become unload during this processing here, and reload during this. I mean, not reloaded because like it's a different level, but I feel you get the gist, right? So I feel like the best course of action is to actually provide, hear me out, okay? We will provide to the stage, what? Yeah, the stage fade out, a method to like choose a fade color and a duration, okay? Which is basically the same thing. But then Ba, 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 ba. We can either provide a function or we can just provide the actual like color rect, you know, that we are using to modulate the colors inside, like on top of the scene transitions. Because again, the manager survives the scene transition, right? My problem with this is just because I don't really like how Godot handles callables, handles like lambdas or I don't know, functions, inline functions, you know? Because I don't find them very ergonomic to call like callable dot call, you know? Dot call. I don't find this very ergonomic. And that's a problem for me. Because this makes me think that passing this callable through to the stage fade out and also to the stage fading for that matter. I mean, not even to the stage fading. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, that's kind of like not very nice. But I guess we can do something like that. I guess this is a good idea. I mean, it's not even that it's a good idea. It's like it's an okay idea. It's better than the idea that I had before, you know. And what is the idea? Ba, 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 ba. Ba, da, ba, 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 What are we going to do? We are going to pass into stage out. Yeah, we're going to pass something to there. What are we going to pass? Like another function fade out to color duration returns float, I mean void, and that means we do something like these, right? We do something like these. We make the modulation transparent and we Oh man, look at this. It's wrongly indented. And we get the transition color rect, set the color to the color that we passed into this function. And then the magic happens, okay? Okay, so in here... Yeah, in here we want to call fade out to color black duration. Where's the duration? Transition duration. The duration of these goes into here. Yeah, that way. That way. We're always going to have something to fade in from. Yeah, I guess that's the way. I guess that's the way. It's not really good. It's not really pretty. I don't really like it. But it kind of works. What you're going to do, right? What do we pass in here? Fade to color. Fade to color. It's a callable. And instead of tweening the whatever, we tween the callback? No, we execute fade to color dot call color dot black durations of 0.3. I feel like that's the solution. It's an okay solution. There you go, better. We do not have the flashing anymore, which is awesome. That's everything that we ever wanted. I almost fell. Blang. Blang, shablang. Can we bang, shablang? Bang? Shablang? What's the name of that song again? Dang, blang, bang, shabang, when it bong, boom, bang. That's wang, bang, shagalang. Let's freaking go. Best music ever. So on the nights, on the days, how is that my fault should be that way? Awesome. Okay, first level, can we change something here? Because like the camera, on day say da 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 ba 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 da ba 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 ba-da-da-da-da-da. Blam, shangalang, and the sha la 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 la. Okay, let's try doing something in here, okay? Because like we select the player. I mean, if the player exists. I mean, if the player has a selected jaw, I don't think we need it. I don't think we need this. Yeah. So we get the main. We get the rectangle of all of the jaws inside of the player. We add it. We configure it as the main point of interest. There's already a variable named rect. Oh yeah, sure there is. Sure. Good enough. Look at this. We get the rectangle, we get the center of the point of interest. Of all the points of interest, eh? Yeah, kind of works. Shang-a-lang and a sa la 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 la. I'm pretty sure the main point is already... Shit, it's already on global coordinates. So, which means I think we can like just skip everything in here. Cause like I'm assuming a lot of stuff, you know? I'm assuming a lot of stuff. How does this even work? Just like best time of your life. Bound shang-a-lang and a sa la 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 la. I think that's everything that we need to do, actually. Let's go. Just like start the camera at the player as the main point of interest. Let's freaking go. Does this work? I feel like it's going to explode in my face. Well, we did not. It's also not correct. So let's try these. Well, what's better this way? Isso não que eu vou fazer. I feel like my throat is not really healthy. Quando o sol se for, a luz indicará você pra mim. You know what? I think I actually need... I think I actually need to set the main point. And in here, instead of... Oh, there you go. Get center. Not get area, get center. Yeah, something like this, right? I don't really... To be freaking fair, I don't remember why or how. I don't remember how this calculation works. I just know that like this line makes the position of the camera be interpolated from the position it has to the new position, which is poi. The poi is the desired position, you know? Which is interesting. Eu não quero entender. Now I'm suffering from this animation being too long. Damn. Hello, how's it going? Hello, Venerek. How have you been? How have you been? It's been great. It's been great. I've been working on Joe Adventure for the past 10 hours. 10 hours. Yeah, today. Very fun. Fun. I may be going a little bit crazy. But, you know, just the regular amount of crazy, I guess. Quando o sol se for, meu amor. Yeah, it's interesting because like I'm adding to the global position the poi, but I'm also subtracting the global position, which is a vibe, I guess. So instead of subtracting, maybe I just want to increment it. 10 hours is a lot. Consider sleeping. Well, yeah. You know what? I am kind of considering. I am kind of considering. Oh man, this song. This song is so great. Yeah, I'm kind of considering like, just stopping and playing some Clair Obscure because like I've been wanting to play this game for like the past. How long has the game been out? That much, or actually not even that much, like more than that, because like I've been wanting to play this game from before the game release. So yeah, been a lot of time, and I actually paid. I bought the game. I bought the game. Haven't played yet, cause life's a bitch. Yeah, I don't understand this little code. I'm just going to abandon this and like just leave with the fact that when we do the transitions from one stage to another, like the camera may start on a silly position. Okay, that's just something that I will have to accept. Okay, that's just something that we'll have to accept. Also, not really what I wanted to do, but I guess this is done. Oh man, shit, go away. Okay, so this is done. This is done. Just starts running to the right and add a fade. Yeah, cool, it's done. Amen, big amen. Buying games to never play then is such a classic. It's a vibe, right? It's like, how could you not? You know, how could you not? Like, it's the thing. It's that thing. Oh my god, it's that thing that people say. Like, when you're young, you do not have money. When you're old, you do have money, but you don't have the time. Let's go. Living is such a great thing. Anyway, so storytelling, button prompts, and cutscene. But there was a discount. Was there a discount? It's okay to be gay, that's okay with the boys in the gay way. This song is great. It's okay to be gay, let's rejoice with the boys in the gay way. Yeah. That song is also a vibe. So this was in progress by me and it's now finished. Kind of. Not really, but also kind of. Like, it's not finished because when I typed this task in here, like end animation and begin animation, I was thinking about some other kind of animation. But like that's the animation we will have, I guess. That's what we are working on. Like fade in and fade out. And it's probably good enough. Yes. Yes. Okay. Also, end game scene, end game cutscene. We also need to have like a start game cutscene. That's something that we want to do. Or something like that. I don't know why I added like or something like that, because like that's just what we want. End game cutscene and I start game cutscene. We also probably want to have like the storytelling system done before the cutscenes are added, because like I feel like that's kind of the right thing to do, right? Let me add this song. Not safe for work, or no. If we were gay. Chove sem parar. Chove chuva. Chove sem parar. Let's add this to the queue and play If We Were Gay, the song, the greatest song ever. If we were gay? Could you imagine? A rainbow shines from the heaven. A child smiles light up the room as Brian blows a dude. What? A star shoots in from outer space. A puppy licks its mother. A ray of sunshine. Sunlight? There will be no sadness if we were super gay. Just unicorns and magic. If we were super gay, we would all be flying on a tasteful pink duvet. Duvet? Mostly Brian. Mostly Brian's gay. Funny song. Brian's gay. It's like stupid. Rap parrot. I can't dance with the parrot. God, oh no. Anyway, oh yeah, let's commit stuff before we lose our progress. Oh shit, what's happening? What? Oh yeah, no, sure, makes sense. We have this. Well, let's commit everything kind of separated, because they are kind of separated things that I forgot to commit before, like these. This is kind of a separated thing. Moist. Hey Tricky, how you freaking doing? Chove chuva, chove sem parar. Hope the hospital was good, right? No, it's not. Okay, never mind. Sorry. Vai chuva parar de molhar o meu divino amor. Era muito lindo, mais que o infinito. Meu inocente como pô. Não olhe nós, no meu amor assim. A voz só vai não ir, não mais o meu amor assim. Chove chuva. The website I'm making, which was supposed to be a small thing, is a serious drama. Oh no. It's full of mistakes. Like, is it like a self-contained drama? Like, is the code being a drama to you? Or are you like working in the website with some other people and the other people are being the drama? And every time I fix one, I seem to create a new one. Yeah, well, yeah, I feel like it's you with the website. It's drama between you and the website. No, just a code. Yep. Yep. That happens sometimes, I feel, yeah. But yeah, fixing the credits. Start. Starts in a better position. Yeah, let's go. Chove sem parar. Like I had a part of the header with 100% reaching 125% for some reason. Damn. That makes no sense. That makes no sense, Tricky. Put it on relative plus floats. Why would you do it? Why would you do it though? And now the header is fine. Oh, okay. Well, sure. Let's use float, like the technique from like the Windows Explorer era. But I mean, if it works, it works. Chove chuva. But the footer text is in the middle of the screen. Hey. What did we add in here? So the main menu has some more stuff in here. It's basically the new scripts that we added, right? Yeah, it is. to Brazil, bem-vindo Brazil, bem-vindo Brazil, welcome to Brazil. Hey, I haven't made a website in like 10 years, smartass. Okay. Well, you sure you sure talk like someone who hasn't made a website in 10 years. Do you even know any web dev? I mean, I am a web dev. Like, it's not that I am a web dev. Like, I worked as a web dev for like 7 years professionally. I am senior web front-end developer, you know? I live and breathe CSS and HTML, and I decided that I was tired of breathing that shit, and I started doing game development. And now I'm trying to live off game development while it's like surviving with the money I saved from when I was working on as a front-end developer. Yeah. Well, it's not like you can do it any better. Well, you know, I definitely can. But I will not buy the bait. I will not bite it. I am focused on my stings here. Brazil, welcome to Brazil. 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 What do you even code? No, for real. No, yeah. What do you mean for real? Let's quit it all, and I picked like the most annoying thing to start with. What, the header? Everything is going to be annoying, especially stuff that you are not very familiar to do with. It's just like everything is going to feel a chore, and you're just going to keep banging your head against the wall until you get it. Sometimes that's just how it is. I want animations on the website. Well, yeah, no, you're correct. I take back everything that I just said. Animations and transitions are kind of annoying. Yeah, never mind. Idea right now. Like micro animations, let me tell you, micro animations. It's like, oh my god. I used to like low-key beg for the designers who worked on the company I was working for them to add micro animations to the product, because I wanted to work with micro animations, just because like stuff is awesome, you know? Like micro animations are, oh, look at this. Micro animations are just like the best thing ever given to web development. And this egg is looking so delicious. Blang, shang, blang, blang, a lang. Is this what you wanted? The first picture. But it's for a ground and waterwork company, so I drew a machine. Yeah. This is beautiful. We are fighting famous. Fighting famous. Dreamers, fighting dreamers. That's what he did. That's what he says. Yo, just for my way. Hey, are we back from the ads? Right here, right now. Right here, right now. 1 year Japan Hill even in living leaked. Oh, it's not in English. I'm dumb. For a moment there, I thought I was having a stroke, and then I realized it was in Belgian. Fighting fear. Oh, it's so cute! For fuck's sake. Do you have the animation? No, you don't have the animation. Cart. Oh well, and then you go back to like a PDF. Oh, so cart is the menu, right? Hey, let's go. Takoyaki, karaage, gyoza, edamame, jijis? Jijis? Karaage? What? So I want the rocks to move and all that. What rocks? I suddenly forgot. Rocks? Oh, those rocks. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, I don't know who made that page. Oh, yeah. Oh, well. Oh, well. That's just how... Sometimes that's how it goes. Oh, yeah. Talking about it, like, there is... I have never used it. Because, like, it's fairly new. It's fairly new. And, I think that I was already not really working with web dev when that came out, but there are some like scroll tide animation, CSS animation stuff that you can do, like scroll based animations with CSS only, exactly this.
Have you ever wanted to make
Shit.
all scroll based?
Yeah, exactly. That's kind of what you want.
Scroll linked animations for things that are going
Scroll watcher.
left and right, but it's keeping the height of it. So I'm gonna start that off at a 0
Yeah.
of left.
Look at this. Oh no, it's not.
Still works even though I'm using.
Oh, this is that's how you do animation timeline scroll. Look at this. Yeah, that's amazing. That's amazing. That's also like I feel like that's if this works on the browser that you need to support stuff, I feel like
Up and down, and I can say inline, and that will be my left.
Amazing. Yeah. If this is
a little bit of a
like if this is supported by, can I use? Let's go. Can I use scroll? Timeline scroll usage relative. Well, if you do not need to support Safari on iOS, you probably can get away with using the new scroll function. So I want the rocks to move and all. Yeah, I don't know who made the page. Yeah, well, when I start to put it together, because currently I'm like XD. Let's go. Let's go. I'm a byte. Pen? Code pen. Oh, look at this. That beautiful watch. Look at this. Damn. Is this synchronized with the my time? No, it's not. Okay. I need to like fix this. Holy shit! Yeah, it's kind of broken. Not gonna lie. Yeah. This one is also beautiful. Look at this. Ooh, look at this. We got inline peel select things. Damn. Amazing. Interesting. Meta. Can we have like something like style, background, black? Them? There we go. Better. And then in here we can add like I don't know, 3. What's your problem? What's your problem? What's your problem? What's your problem? What's your... Oh, yeah. Kind of like this. Don't we have Emmet in here? I thought we had Emmet. Yeah. What's... Yeah, there we go. Okay. I don't know. Style... Actually, let's go with a class. Class... Circle... Let's raw dog this shit. Yeah, well, why would I do it? Circle. So widgets, I don't know, 50 pixels. Aspect ratio 1. Does this work? I don't know. What are you talking about? I need to fix this anyway. When I fix it, you can look at it and tell me what I did wrong. Okay, or what is old, like you just said with the float, because I don't know, but I need to fix those small issues first. Yeah, I think you need to fix that first. I think it's because I didn't put them all on relative. Yeah, maybe it is. Zanka! What color? Like background, I don't know, light gray? Papara. I feel like this. Suddenly I feel like this is not really working. Right? Where is it? Where are my balls? I want to see my balls. I think it's because anyway, need to go to bed. Vihori, it's 2 a.m. But I'll bother you later. Yeah, no problem. Bother me some more afterwards. Oh no. 60 pixels. Something like this. Where are my balls? I want to see my balls. What did you do with my balls? Bestie, hey Anubis, how you freaking doing? I'm here. Hey, finally, I was looking you at Coco's stream and I saw that you just like raided and run alongside Coco. Anyway, how you doing? It was nice hearing you. Yeah, no problem. It was nice talking to you too, Tricky. Bye bye. Sleep tight. It seems I came when Hoi Hoi lost his balls. Yeah. Let me rename this instead of circle. Let me rename this to balls. Yeah, I lost my balls. My balls are not showing. I'm not really sure why. Oh yeah, no, I forgot. No, I don't know. I have I been gone too long from web development? So much that I forgot how to do stuff? What are my balls? Have I typed something? Oh yeah, that's how it. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, my bad. What happened? I lost my balls, Guitar Assassin. I lost my balls for a second there. Border. Rages. I don't know, 50%. Let's go, 50%. There we go. Now I found my balls. Those are my balls. Look at them. I don't know why I was doing this, but like, well, forget about it. Forget about it. No, don't want it. Yeah, let's go. What is opening here? Oh, the new HP season. Yeah, no. First of all, let's finish committing everything. Stage manager. Bestie. It has been too long since you last streamed. What you doing? I crave your lives. No. What even am I committing? Stage manager. Okay. What should I do? Probably like a fix up, right? Fix up. Bam bam. Oh yeah, absolutely freaking forgot about the TTS. I'm dumb. Anyway. So yeah, credit starts, make transition between stages. Yeah, probably this one is a better. It's a good thing. It's a good commit to merge everything together.
At thank you Atar Assassin Yo.
Yo, hiya!
Thank you Atar Assassin Concha.
Hiya! Okay, what do we have in here? We have animations. Yeah, like let's go. Add everything to commit, and then we commit animations. We do have some animations. I don't know. Menu. Going out of the menu. Fading. Now stage out animation. Let's go, guys. Look at this. This is new thing. This is new stuff. I don't even know if the Guitar Assassin has seen this, but look at this transition and tell me I'm not very cool. Is this very cool, or is this absolutely awesomely cool? Very cool, thank you. Okay, well, I was kind of hoping, I was kind of aiming for the absolutely freaking awesome, but very cool is good enough, I guess.
Very cool.
Instead of doing this, yeah, I was thinking about that right now. Maybe like, the auto scroll. I think I want to like multiply. Oh man, what? Multiply it by -1, so I can invert the direction the map was going to. Let's see. Blang, 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 sha blang. Okay, not really what I wanted to see. Because like everyone in here has different values, right? Yeah. Look at this. Damn, 20, 27. What is this one? 32. What is this one? 35. Yeah, everyone here has different speeds, and I really wanted all of these speeds to like go to the opposite direction, which is why I was trying to multiply it by -1, which generally does what we want by like inverting the thing. And I don't know, maybe we need to do something like this. Okay, so multiply it by like this. Let's try.
By the way, don't know if you meant to be in just chatting category, by the way.
Oh yeah, good catch. I totally changed that somewhere down the line and forget to go back to software development. Thank you, Nabist. You are the best. Look at this. Look at how they go. They go real fast. And the auto scroll did not. Oh yeah, no, I know why. You know what? bg dot process mode equals process always. Yeah, let's go. Look at this. Bling. That's terrible.
Now that's a little too fast.
Yeah, thank you. Nyong. Nyong. Maybe this?
Maybe have them start slow and accelerate.
Yeah, you know what? Good call, good call. Blang. Yeah, that's better. That's better. But you are correct. You are so correct. How do we do this? Well, I guess we can twin dots. What is the thing again? Set ease? Is in? Yeah, is in. And also twin dot set speed scale? No, it's not a speed scale. Set what? Set transition. Exponential. I like the exponential one. I just like how it looks. Let's try it. Blang, blang, blang. Well, that was kind of funny. That was kind of funny. Not going to lie. Not going to lie. Exponential trans cubic bounce circle. Oh, it's quadratic. It's not exponential. I was kind of, I don't know, so fast. Gotta go fast. Let's maybe try these then.
Take off. So fast XD.
Take off. We gotta take off. Take off. I feel like this is good, right? Let's try again. But I also feel like, yeah, that was pretty cool. Nice, nice. I also feel like nah, forget about it. It's good the way it is. Well, I mean, it's good enough the way it is. Sure. Is it though? Is it? Is it though? One last time. No, I think it's cool. I think it's cool. I said one last time? I mean, two less times. Yeah, it would be better if the if the transition and if the auto scroll also kind of like transitioned from going in one direction to the other direction. But you know, but kinda not that easy to do. It's going to be like confusing code. And it's such a small thing to do. Sure, let's go. Let's freaking go. Let's do something about it. So function set auto scroll.
Can you do the speed as the quadratic +1 or something?
What?
So they don't start so slow?
Oh, sure.
Does that make sense or no?
I think it does. I think it does. Is this better? What do you think? Yeah? Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Then that it is. Forget about everything else that I wanted to do because I don't want to do it anymore. I don't want to do it anymore. It's just like too much work for too little gain.
I think so at least.
Let's go. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Actually, fix up stage out animation. Let's go. Ba 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 ba. Okay, that's that. I feel like I made a stage manager better, and this means base main that we can open up PR. Body breeze at a bottle, soft keeper. Oh, it's push force. Joel, what is it? GitHub Joel Adventure. Is it in my account? Yes, it is. Okay. Joel Adventure. Let's create a pull request to Joel Adventure. Are we open to changing jumping physics or no? What goes into it currently? Are we though? Maybe we are.
Are we open to changing jump physics or no?
What
goes into it currently?
What do you want to change? Not drastically. Okay. So yeah, the jumping physics. What even?
Not drastically. IMA pull it up and play around with it.
Yeah, look at this. If you go to the Josing, I'm pretty sure it's the Joe one. Yeah, if you go to the Josing, the movement code for the jumping is in here. We have like the process jump with like the applications of velocity and whatnot. Okay, but also what we do have is the gravity by velocity mapping. So like, what is this again? Ooh, can I play with it? Yeah, you can play with it. Go ahead, do whatever you want. And you can like adjust like how the gravity works when the person is like falling and going up, I guess. This is like, I forgot. Where is this even being applied?
Oh, can I play with it?
Yeah, of course you can. Of course you can. Where is it being applied? Remapped clamp. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's... Yeah, this remapping is just happening because, like... I mean... Because, like, Godot 4.3 was way worse than Godot 4.4. Now, Godot 4.4 supports the mapping of the curve inside of here instead of we having to do something in here. But yeah, this is basically like adding the gravity. Okay, I like the current physics a lot. It's just that I always love playing around with it. Oh yeah, no, sure, let's go. And yeah, so in here we have the velocity, the y velocity. So like if you have the velocity goes from 0 to 1. 0 is like negative.
It's just that I always love playing around with it.
Negative is going up, right? I'm pretty sure. Yeah, negative, if the velocity y is negative, that means we're going up. And if the velocity is positive, that means we're going down. And also, if this range is mapped to 0, from 0 to 1, inside of the mapping here, it means that like these... Oh shit, let me fix that real quick. But like these on the 0 we are going up, and on 1 we are falling to the ground. Okay, yeah, that's the map. That's the map that we are having here. So like when we are going up, like when we are first going up, when we have like the most acceleration ever, we have very little gravity being applied onto the jaw. And then when we begin falling, this is like the zero velocity, you know? which means like the Joe is like exactly on the peak of its height, and then the gravity goes like applies faster, better, stronger, and harder, close to like 1.5 times the actual gravity, and then it like settles back into like 1 times gravity when we approach terminal velocity.
Into an open source engine.
Man, no, this I kind of coded this, but like we have the lines, right? The line mapping is from Godot. So yeah, Godot is awesome. Godot is awesome. Yeah, let me add you to the repository. Is the repository public? Oh, it is. Cool. Interesting. Da 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 da. Ba da ba da ba da ba da ba da. What's your username again? Guitar Assassin? Oh, well, I guess I can check the oscillator. Never mind. Oscillator. Where is oscillator? Hello, Mr. Jing. How are you doing? What? Long time no see. Yeah, it's basically my fault, right? It's basically my fault because like I absolutely kind of forgot. I didn't forgot. Like I just skipped. Sorry, I skipped Monday's stream because I was hanging out with some of my friends. Hey, hello, Fabio. How you freaking going? Are you doing fine?
Hi, people.
Are you going to stream today also? You and Pabite? Hey yo. Hey yo, let's go. Friends? Are you replacing me? No, absolutely not. It's just people that you do not really know. It was like I'm not replacing you. Rest assured, okay? You are very important to me. Your friendship is amazing. Okay? Your friendship is amazing, but like they were having a child and we're not going to see them for a very long time.
Replacing me?
So that's why. Yeah, but oh, sorry. Never mind the butt. You have a big, beautiful butt. I mean, sorry. No. Well, I see you at the other side of the void of the ads. Yeah, let's go. Let's come back to the coding. Oh no, I doxed your username. Oh shit. There you go. It's just not that it really matters. Anyway, it's just someone else. Oh, I'm sorry. I can't do this anymore. It's over. No. 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 2 minutes of ad? Damn, getting fancy, man. Well, that's kind of the default duration.
We're streaming soon. Today is
actually Vava. Oh, nice. Let's go, Vava. Actually,
but it's just someone else. Sad sigh. I'm sorry. I can't do this anymore. It's over.
It's over between you and me. It's over. The Hoyer cries.
Asterisk. 2 minutes of AD.
Yeah.
Damn, getting fancy, man. That's kind of the default duration.
Anyway, let me clear the TTS. Let's go. So yeah, look at this, Fabio. Look at this. This is one of the projects. This project, this Joe Adventure, is going to Steam in like probably 2 months, 3 months, something like that. Look at Joe. Look at Joe. Look at Joe Adventure.
To make you reach your home.
It's worthy to make you reach. Right? Well, this is not really my doing. The looking great part goes for goes for
The
Pemi.
original creator of the game, you or Pemi?
It's kind of us both, right? But like I pitched the first idea, and we just like worked on it together. But like, the whole visual concept was basically Pemi, and the whole mechanics part was basically me, with some input from both sides. That's kind of how the dynamic works. By the way, look at this. Are you looking? Are you looking? So Pemi, who I just shout out, you can follow Pemi. Go follow Pemi. He is amazing artist, amazing pixel artist, and he is very horny. He likes to talk about horny stuff, and let's freaking go. So this is the game. I don't think you've seen the game or played the game before, have you, Fabio? There we go. Look at this.
That industrial scenario kinda reminds me Time Crash.
Oh yeah, right?
Of this game.
Yeah, I have heard of this game, but also I have not seen, I have not shown Pemi anything of Time Crash, so that was basically his own work. It was his own doing. It's mostly a coincidence. I don't know. I need. Oh fuck! I've exploded. Anyway, that's kind of the game. You should play it. Pemi0.each.io/Joe Adventure. Let's go. You should play it. Totally go play it. Anyway, I want to mess with some. Oh shit. Oh well. It's not. It's already gone. Never mind then. Is this the correct? Oh, it is. There you go. Okay, so I want to play around with some HP of like some HP system, new HP system. I like it. This came to me in a dream again. Also, I was just like there thinking about stuff, and those stuff came to mind as like, oh, you could maybe do this, you know? Yeah, that's just something that happened, I guess. And also, Fabio, the soundtrack that you just heard is not from Guitar Assassin. Oh, also, while you're here, oscillator. Let's go. V oscillator. Look at this. This is the other game we are kind of slash quote unquote working on. It's kind of on the queue. It's on the back burner. We are going to work on it more actively, but currently it's just not. It's not our focus, but it's going there. You know. Look at this. Who is we? Me, Pemi, and the Guitar Assassin, the guy who was talking in green on the chat right before you entered. He made the entire soundtrack for Oscillator, and he's going to keep working on the soundtrack for the new soundtracks for Joe Adventure. But look at this and look at how cool the sound is. The sound design. Look at the sound design. And you know what, Fabio? The Guitar Assassin also streams, so you should totally follow him. If you want, right? But anyway, I can't play for shit. Oh man, the screen is wrong. The screen is wrong. No. Is this better? I feel like this is better, right? Is this better?
How do you write their name?
What do you mean, how do I write their name? Pemi or the Guitar Assassin? The Guitar Assassin, you can kind of just like click on his name and click on follow. Yeah, I don't have the /so configured. Sorry, Anubis. But thank you very 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 so much for the energy. That is the energy. Oh, he's right there. Yeah, he is. He's absurdly right there. Yeah. Okay. The screen is on the correct place right now. Let's go.
He's right there.
I absolutely need to
MD.
configure the bang SO. Yeah. Anyway, can you do the shout out? I don't know if the cooldown is done already. Shout outs. The
LOL.
Star Assassin.
XD.
Oh yeah, you can.
Hoyer,
Totally. Let's go.
You to where you can beat normal for demonstration.
Yeah. Yeah, to be fair, good point. Let's see. Can I beat it? Ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum, bum bum.
Thank you.
Ba-da-da, ba-da, ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da, ba-ba-dum, ba. Ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-da-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. I can't. Oh shit. Anyway, this is the game. For demonstration purposes, I always just open the editor, the map editor, because it shows. Oh shit. Yeah, because it shows like the entire map in the song.
Longer.
You know. Do I need it? Do I need to do it? Do I really need to do it? I wonder.
You gotta wait, LOL.
Yeah, I kind of know that I need to wait. Let's do it. Let's try it one more time. Ba 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 da ba ba da ba 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 da. Oh shit! Yeah, no, sorry. What can I say? Except you're welcome. Well, it's not the reset button. It was the main menu. Okay, I guess. Do it. I will. Let's do it. Hype.
V Hoyer hype.
Bum 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 ba-dum bum. Bum ba-dum bum. Ba-da-dum ba-da-dum bum bum. Ba-dum bum ba-da-dum ba-bum ba-ba-dum ba-dum 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 ba. Ah no! I should have. No, let's try again. Yo, Papite is gone string now, but I will quietly lurk here for you. Have fun. Yeah, well, thank you very so much for the lurk. Lurk away, happy lurking. I will check some Papites after my stream. Oh shit, yeah. Ah no! Anyway, that's how the game goes. And this is the whole song. I'm just going to play the whole song because I can't play the normal mode because I'm so bad at the game. I still can't believe that the Guitar Assassin can play this on Le Mans on the hardest difficulty. I really love the UI. Yeah, the UI is so good, right? Le Mans is fun. You mean you love this UI? The UI from the editor? No way! Do you know who made the editor? I did the editor. Is the editor good? I've beaten it probably 7 times now. Even though you're tired of the song already? Damn. Bum ba da dum bum bum. Bum 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 ba dum bum ba dum bum.
I've beaten it probably 7 times now, LOL.
Ba ba. Banger of a song. Anyway. In a way.
I love the billion lasers on screen.
I too love him. I too love him.
The juice is still there, lol.
Oh yeah, oh my god, the juice. It's so juicy. You gotta love to just like slurp on that juice. Oh no. Anyway,
You guys did amazing.
banger, right? Girl Assassin is just like such a good composer, I guess. What can we do, right? Anyway, playing with the health mechanics. How do I play with the health mechanics again? What is my plan again? Where is... Here it is. Okay, so you can only transfer a transition to dying Joels, and you can only transition after a cooldown of 3 seconds. So once you switch to someone, you automatically initiate a cooldown that you can't switch away from the current...
I think is still early on, but I'm getting there, I swear.
Nice. Anyway, yeah, it reminds me, this stuff that I kind of want to do to play around with the new HP system reminded me that I need to definitely make the HP higher. Yeah, max HP it's 12. Shit. Okay, I don't know, 5 6. Let's go for 6. 18 health. Let's try 18 health. Oh yeah, I was testing the life. The life drain. Yeah, you know what? I feel like the better test of the health is going to be like level 4 or level 5. Maybe let's try level 5. Ja, ja, ja. Ja, 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 da, 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 da. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. No, 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 no. Oh shit. No, no, no. Kind of disorienting. It's okay. L? Yeah, let's go. Okay, again. Open this. And then we go. Oh, no. Actually, J needs to jump in here. L needs to also come in here. K. Where is it? Yeah, L. Well, it certainly is a lot better. The health. The health at 12. Not 12, 18. The health at 18 is definitely better. This is like an easy win. J. I feel like this is not going to end up very good. Okay, so J is the last one. And there we go. Yeah, no, I definitely managed to, I don't know. It felt better. It felt better. It kind of felt better, but you know what? maybe 20 is like the sweet spot. I need to get Joe Adventure. I need to get more playtesting on Joe Adventure to tune better the health, but I guess 20 is good enough for now. Sure. Oh, there's a lot of errors. What's happening? Joe HUD. My health update error during Varby synthesis. Really interesting. And mixed frame Varbis. Error during Varbis synthesis. Yeah, the beeping thingy. Oh well, I don't know. Whatever. What else? What else can we do which is very low? Hey, thank you for the hydration, Papite. Let me drink some water. Thank you for the hydration. Aren't you streaming right now? I thought you were streaming right now. Or not. I want to vote for someone, to vote for someone. What the fuck am I writing? Switch TV. There you go. In politics, your fans all have to come over it. Bye-bite. Bye-bite. All the cats. Yeah. Let's go. Oh yeah, so add a button to show all the Joes. Don't begin draining life if no Joe is selected. I feel like that's going to be an easy one. Game is too difficult for new people, not tryharders. What? Okay, I feel like this is completed. Life drains too fast, make it slower. Okay. Yeah. Don't begin draining life. Okay, make. Yeah, that's definitely like a later addition, like a hard mode. Yeah, probably a puzzle that needs to punch at a level result screen. There needs to be a clear indication that you can and how can you pause the game. Yeah. You know what? Let me ping Pemmy here. Pemmy! Well, there I am, doxing my friend. I mean, it's his fault. It's his fault. Pemmy. What is this? Pemmy. We need some UI mockups for this. If you do not provide me with what you think this should look like, I'm just going to do the same thing I did for Gun a Marathon. The UI on the left bottom. How you feel to be alone, baby? No, you don't be no. Let's go back to the back to doxing here. Maybe add a hard mode. Okay, needs to be a clear indication. Result screen. Puzzle. Don't begin draining alive. Add a button. Yeah, I feel like that's already ordered with like, I don't know, easiness of accomplishing. Never mind these. All right. Shit. Okay. What do I do now? Let me add. Oh my god. Let me add a little. 2 hours? Yeah, sure, 2 hours. Let's go. 2 hours working on whatever. And now we stopped. Yeah, I feel like that's good enough, right? I feel like that's like we've done a lot of work, right? We've done good, right? I feel like we've done good. And as a reward to myself, as a reward to myself, I'm just gonna boot a boot to the head, you know? You know what? It's a boot to the head. Who never liked some boot to the head? Okay? Yep, this is not good. I am not feeling good. Yeah. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh shit, no, it needs to update. Oh no. It needs to update, and it's also like not that untrivial update. Oh no. Oh no. Oh well, I guess we wait for a little bit. It's just there we go. It's almost done. Look at that. Oh man, good internet. How I wished I had these when I was younger. Ah, damn, and now it's patching time, which is like, damn, it shouldn't have been taking that long. I know, but it's like 2 minutes. We can stall for 2 minutes, right? I feel like we can stall for 2 minutes. Well, let's get the music going in here also. All by myself. We'll crying out for help. Turning a cell phone where we know how it feels to be alone, baby. I'll make you know. This is the hotkey. This one is the full screen. Yeah. Well, okay. Preparations, patching. I feel bad about this. I should have been better. I should have done better. Ah, no. Anyway, I guess I was looking so much for it, and then everything just go down the drain. Shit. No problem. That's no problem. What problem could it have? You know what? I would take some advantage of the fact that this is like updating. I will go to the be right back screen. I'll go to the bathroom and I'll be back. Yeah. Okay. I'll be back. It's going to be, it's going to be a short one. Short one. to hold and make concern. I think I've lost my ways. Getting good and starting over. I love this song. This song is just something else, I guess. What do we do with this time that is bestowed upon us? I guess let's close this because I don't really need this anymore. Yeah, do we need something to... Oh yeah, that's something that I needed to do. Oh, there is more stuff that needs to be committed. Oh no. Okay, so do adventure... Not these, GitHub, the hardware adventure. Is the branch merged? 5 days ago it is not. It's paper mountains inside and watch them burn. Ba-dum, ba-da-dum. Rebasing merge, let's go. It's done. Look at this, it's beautiful. I've done some stuff. So we go back to the main. We update the main branch with the stuff that we just updated on the remote stuff. Okay. And now we drop the changes we just made. We just like, I don't know, we Control X the changes and now we're Control V the changes. And what did we even change in here? The health and just the health. The shader. Oh, the path to the shader thing. Yeah. Well, good thing that it updates itself. Again. Oh, it's because of the UID. Yes, makes sense. Okay. The side, the resort to Raya, the sacrifice. The first, the clair, another state of mind. I'm on my knees. What is this? Sparkles, user feedback, user experience. Yeah, let's go for user experience. Made the live stream less big, less impactful, less hard. Less impactful, just because it reads better. Impactful. That's how you read it. There you go. I began. I'm learning to talk again. I want to see. Did it download it? No, it did not. Oh, not download it, but like patch it. Did it patch it? It did not. Can you even imagine that I have an SSD? It doesn't even seem like it. It's like only 1 gig. It's probably just like compressed and now it has to like decompress and apply, switch individual file. Yeah, I can see why it is kind of taking a little bit of time. Reload from this, get more changes. Let's close everything. Let's go. I'm learning to talk again. Hey, Sting. There you go, Sting. Televis. And I stop moving the bird. Remind me of the way that you used to give me butterflies. Took me 21 days to walk our farmer paradise. Shit. Paradise. What's the next song? I'm not I'm not feeling lofty right now. Nah. 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 I didn't ask for that. What? Contramão. O grilo. Nah, forget about it. School back in hand. She lives home in the early morning. You know what? I feel like I should add a redeem. This is going to be so bad. Like a redeem for me to stop singing, you know? It's going to be so hard, man. I want to hold your hand from across the universe. I think you'd understand. Oh, this is a good one. I kind of like this one. It's kind of has... This is the acoustic version, right? I specifically like this one. The little riff thing going on the guitar is just so... Damn, you know? The melody, the melody. The melody line. It's everything to me. It's just the same thing repeating the whole song, maybe. It's not even the melody, right? It's kind of like the second melody or the harmony. It's not really the harmony. It's like a backing melody. Hey, we can play. Forget about the song. I don't care about the song. Let's go. No, I have a controller. Relax. I have a controller. Let me change this. Let me change the category. What's the category? Clair in the dark. Let's go. I already have one. Pay no mind. Pay no freaking mind. How is this going? How is this working? Is this working good? Is it? I was thinking I should do like in sometime in the near future, I should do Linux updating screen, you know? Not a screen, stream. Yeah, Linux updating stream. Running the benchmark. Yeah, run that benchmark, baby. Controls clears, obscures, best player controller, auto save. Yeah, I am kind of aware. Shit. There you go. Where is it? Can I have it like exactly on the middle? No. Hey, look at that. Look at that. The game occupies my whole screen. And the audio is beautiful. Can you even hear that? Yeah, you can. Awesome. Okay. Okay, gameplay, graphics, DLSS, borderless window, full screen with... Well, forget it. That's good enough. Do you have like a game resolution, or is the game going to just be played in this resolution and I can't really do anything about it except... Yeah, I don't think I can. Well, let's go for window then. and go for this resolution. Yeah, unfortunately, it's like great. That's the that the game plays on the whole screen, but I guess that's not something that we can take advantage of. Let's go. Also, let me fix the chat also. Where is the chat? Here is the chat. Look at this. We have like a big... Oh, the soundtrack is so beautiful. Look at this. Should I have done this like before? Maybe, but I just had an idea. What's your problem, man? What's your problem? OBS Twitch chat. This chat, J chat. Let's go. Yeah, there was an option here. Where's the option? There was an option here to fade 3 seconds. Yeah, makes sense. Let's go. Fade. Oh shit. No, I want to... Oh, whatever, forget it. This one. There we go. Okay, so then we can... Oh shit, we can get it in here. Do these. Oh, this is not maybe really what I want to have. Huh, or is it? No, I don't think it is. Let's add another browser source. Chat fade. Chat long fade. Chat long fade. Let's go. Okay, so this... Add this in here. Where's the properties from this one? That's the chat long. That's the other one. Okay, I didn't knew you only could have one option. So it's 320 by 620. 320 by 620. Let's go. That's what we'd like to see. And then we can just delete this one. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Where is it? There it is. There it is. There we go. That's what I call a chat. A chat. There we go. Okay. Music to my ears. Oh man. Okay, I'm so ready. After like a lot of hours, I'm so ready. Expeditioner, story, expert, expeditioner. Well, let's go for expeditioner, right? Expeditioner, expert, hard, difficult with high demanding combat. Enemies deal greater damage and mastering dodges and parries required. Recommended for players who enjoy difficult games with real-time mechanics. Enemy deals normal damage and mastering dodges and parries encouraged but not mandatory. Recommended for players who enjoy turn-based combat. Well, I kinda enjoy both. I think I want... Adjust the difficulty. This can be changed any time outside of combat. Yeah, okay, let's go for expert then. Expert then. And tutorials enabled. Character customization in cutscenes. Sure. Note, some cinematic shots may not look as intended, but it's fun. Text language: Espanol, Francais, Japanese, Korean, Polish, Portuguese, I don't even know, English. Audio language: Francais, English, Francais, English. Let's go for English, cause I'm a bitch. Or should I go for French? Just cause it's the original. What should we do, Chad? What should we do? Let's go for English. You can change the difficulty mode at any time in the settings, actually. Okay, thank you.